How to add a link to your Tumblr bio. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a link to your Tumblr bio. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's get started. First, open up your Tumblr and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now after you're logged in into your account, you can head over to the left hand side where you'll find account, and there you will see your account name. So tap on it. Mine is Optimistic Candy Candy Eater. And after you're here, what you can do is there you will see on the right hand side an option called blog settings. Tap on it and it will take you to your page. Now right here you can see your username, your address and stuff like that. Now tap on edit appearance right here. After you tap on edit appearance, now you will need to add a bit of HTML code on your description. Now this is what the code looks like. So all you have to do is type in this right here. Now under these two quotation marks, you'll have to type in the link for your any other link, whichever you want to paste. So simply type in the link, and after you do that, here what you want to display for that link. So after I put save to this very link or this very bio, it will just show YouTube under my username, but when I click on the YouTube, it will take me to youtube.com. Now that is what a hyperlink is. So all you have to do is in this very format, simply under the quotation between these two quotation marks, type in your website link, the URL to whichever link you want to link to your Tumblr, and then what you want to display for it. After that, you can tap on save here on the top, and as you can see, it has been linked. Now when you tap on this, it will take you to the page. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.